If you're anything like me, you'll have collected a number of different clamps over time, and in particular I have a whole variety of track saw guide rail clamps that I've accumulated, and trying to store those efficiently has presented a bit of a problem. I've overloaded sustainers on shelves that are too heavy to pull out, or just drawers full of them. So I set out to design I set out to find a 3D model that I could 3D print to solve the problem. I did find one that kind of inspired me, but I didn't find anything that really stored the clamps efficiently, and particularly with the variety of different styles of clamp that I have. So I've designed a universal clamp holder that can be mounted to a vertical flat surface with an integrated French cleat, but also a screw attachment, so it can be a combination of screws and French cleat to hold the clamp holder in place. So I'll just show you through the challenge. So I started with the kind of the Festool standard kind of F clamp style guide rail clamp. There's no retaining screw or lug at the end of it, so it's a fairly straightforward scenario of inserting that into a slot in a holder. A little bit another variety that I've got are these Axminster trade clamps, again the sort of ratcheting style, very good, but they've got this retaining lug at the bottom that changes the profile, so needs to accommodate that, and it's they tend to be on the left hand side as you're placing them into the holder. Then I branched out and I had these similar ratchet clamps that I got from Enjoywood on Banggood. They've got a screw style retaining lug here to stop the clamp sliding off the end, and again it's a different size, different orientation. In this case it's on the right hand side as I insert it into the holder. I've then got these Axminster Professional quick grip style rail clamps, different challenge there. And finally I've got a number of these Axminster tray clamps, F clamps, that I want to store. So the design process was to come up with some holders like this that could be mounted vertically, screwed onto the inside of a door and cabinet in my case. But what I did was I designed the slot to accommodate the different sizes and different styles of retainer screw or lug at the bottom of the clamp rails. I developed that a little bit further to have this sort of profile where the clamps go in here, and something to be able to use the quick clamps to grip on here. And I thought, well, instead of just screwing it onto the cabinet, why not integrate a French cleat type arrangement? And so that's exactly what I've done here, and the two will slot together, or more appropriately like that, but can also be held with a central screw, so that the whole holder doesn't come off the French cleat when you lift the clamps out. And I further refined that to this ultimate design, the universal clamp here. I've got a cutout here that will accept all the different types of clamp that I have from Axminster, Enjoywood and Festool. Also accepts the quick grip clamps into the slots here, and allows those to be attached. So if I give you a quick view of that: Festool, Axminster, Enjoywood, a little bit tight, F clamp, and last but not least, slot in place these quick clamps. So, job done. So here we have it. Two clamp racks. One I've just installed, which is the universal F clamp and guide rail clamp holder. And this is the original design that I had for the guide rail clamps by themselves. I'll upgrade that to the universal clamp holder and for maximum compatibility. Hope you found this useful. You can find these files on my Maker World page and download them and print them for yourself for free.